Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers today, and today we're going over our new gaming machine that we received in. This is a MSI laptop here. We got it with it's the 7RV Titan Pro. It's got the 1080 GTX GeForce graphics card inside. It's got a 120 Hertz monitor with it. It's got 16 gigs of RAM. It's got a 500 solid state drive for the Windows, and then a 1 terabyte for the storage that you need. It also is pretty capable of running pretty much any machine that you want. It's got the new i7 7th generation in there, and it runs really smooth with any game that you need it to run. If you have any questions in regards to the gaming laptops or any peripherals that you would need with Impress, just give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.